Okay, good day everybody again. I'd like to talk to you very briefly about passwords in general. It's amazing how many people will use things like if let me in passwords 1234566. Something that's just so simple for a brute forcer to guess that it's not even funny really. You should be using at least a 10 character alphanumeric with special character just to make sure. I go higher than that. I'm not going to say exactly how high, but sometimes I go up to 32 depending on what exactly I'm logging into. If it's something important, I'll use 32. If it's something else, I'll use a little less. I do use LastPass to generate these wacky passwords just to make sure that I don't get compromised. I haven't had an issue other than with Dropbox. And another thing to mention too, that any website that emails your password into Clear, like for example if you go to your website and say I forgot my password, can you email it to me? If they send it to you into Clear, there's a good chance your passwords are not encrypted at all. Everything's in the Clear. That's what happened with the Sony network a year and a half ago. They're storing everything, usernames, passwords, credit cards, right in the Clear. So something to keep your eye on. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and have a good day.